Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. Today we are going to see the live trading session in crude oil commodity segment. It's already 10:49 and I'm recording late night because the trade got over just a few minutes back. It's an evening strategy, live trading in evening strategy in crude oil commodity. Those who are working from 9 to 6. For all these kind of segment of people, this strategy is very suitable because this is done at around 7 p.m. and after that, and usually you just have to place a trade within 2 minutes and then you just don't have to look into the system again and again. It's very simple, very easy to be done. Okay, I'll show you how exactly how to trade, and let us see today's live trading video. And before watching the live trading video, people who are watching the channel for the first time, if you want to learn more strategies, if you want support by daily updating the live trading video and all these kind of supports, you can subscribe to my channel Angel Trading Friend. We'll be getting lots of videos on commodities as well as commodities available in Hindi as well as English. So any support you can just WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. Fine, so let us see today's live trading video. So at around 7 o'clock you can see the crude price. So the levels for today is sell at 4837 and the buy level is 4858. Okay, so friends, there will be two levels. We have to place both the orders. I'll just show you how. And target is 25 and stop loss is 15. It's almost an 1:2 strategy. So even if you're making losses, even if you're having 50% accuracy, also end of the month you'll be in profit. So let me place a trade quickly, and target is 25.15. Quantity I'm trading with 3 lots. Okay, so you can see that crude oil trigger is pending. Okay, and then let me place the buy order also. We have to keep both the orders, and then whichever trigger first, we have to cancel the other. That's it, nothing else to be done. You'll be getting a notification as soon as the trade gets triggered. Okay, and the beauty of this OCO order, you can see that OCO, it's nothing but bracket order. So you just have to place the order and then you don't have to look into the system again and again. Okay, you saw that both the orders are trigger pending. So once any one of the order gets triggered, the target and stop loss also will be placed automatically. We don't have to look into the system again and again. So you saw that within 1 or 2 minutes I place a trade and then I don't have to look into the system again. Once you get a notification of a trade getting triggered and target getting hit or whatever it is, you just have to cancel the other order which is not executed till the time. Okay, let us see. Most of you, what happens is they trade both. I would say don't be greedy. Let us take only one trade per day. So one is enough. If you gain or lose in one trade, let us cancel out the other one and be happy with whatever we are getting. So let us see the performance. So you can see that crude target has been hit easily, and let me just show you the portfolio. Yeah, so crude oil, we got 7,500 rupees, and you can see the buy price was 4818 and the sell price was 4837. So that was the price at which we sold, 4837. So this is how it is, friends. Very simple, very easy. If you want to join, make use of this facility OCO, available only in Upstock, then don't forget to join Upstock with the link which I provided in the description of this video. You will be getting 50% discount on my open trade service. So this is nothing but open trade. What I trade, I immediately place WhatsApp signal. Sorry, it is the other way. I immediately place WhatsApp signal and then only I trade, so that to show you that there will be sufficient time to trade. I also trade along with you all, and let us all trade together and show that discipline can make a lot of money. Many who are following me knows it very well that discipline is the key in my technique, in my strategy, and this is the universal secret. There's nothing else. Many of you will be searching for holy grail and keep changing on strategies. Don't do that. It's just discipline. Loss or negative, just keep following the trade and you'll be able to make profit end of the month. That's it, nothing else. So thank you, friends, and once again, have a nice day. Enjoy.